Two, 1 2 1 2 testing. 1 2 1 2. Hey y'all, it's Nyla back with another freaking video. I'm sorry, I don't even start my videos like that. But hey y'all, it's Nyla back with another video. Today is Cyber Monday. It's 11:43 as y'all can see, and Cyber Monday is almost closed, and we have 5 orders in total. We got 5 orders in total from Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I'm really happy about that. Yes y'all, I'm really happy about that. My goal was to have 2 orders on Black Friday, complete my business goal, period. So big baller shot caller. If you guys didn't know, I have brought new products, new things to the site, and Christmas is gonna be lit. Tomorrow is December 1st. In 20 minutes is about to be December 1st, and I'm having a sale every single day of December, so there's no reason why you shouldn't get your stuff. Okay babe, I really want December to be fun campaign, fun in the snow. So that's basically the campaign for December. That's basically the goal for December. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my email list, and make sure you go subscribe to my channel. We hit 1,000. I know I still haven't had my 1,000 giveaway, but it's coming soon, so just be on the lookout for that. Y'all, look at my nails, they're giving very dreamy. Shout out to TGS Nails. If you guys don't follow TGS Nails, that's my nail tech. Make sure you guys go do that. But yeah, so basically I wanted to show you guys what I'm finna do today, and what I've just been doing today. I really haven't been home, but tonight I took me a good nap. Tonight we're in the zone. Tonight we're working. Usually I'm a night owl, so I really don't go to sleep like that. So tonight we're in the zone. We're working. No distractions. I really like working at night. During the daytime I do be like getting to it more, but I feel like during the daytime I'll be a little bit more distracted, so working at night just fulfills everything for me. So yeah, my room is really messy. So if y'all see my room, it's really messy. As you guys know, I just moved back in from college, and I gotta leave back in January. I know as a college student you're probably still living out of your suitcase. I'm living out of my suitcase too. I know that every college student can relate, so if you can relate, like this video. Also like this video and let me know in the comments down below what videos you have that you want to see, because yes, I do need to get back up on my YouTube channel stuff, because I am slacking, and y'all do love my videos, and y'all be telling me, and I don't be having nothing to talk about. I feel like some stuff that I talk about isn't valid enough, so if you feel like my opinion is valid, then let me know in the comments down below. It's only 4 orders, and this is basically the orders. I sell fuzzy headbands, and they were 2 for $15 today, so that was one of the purchases today as well. And then all my lashes were $3. They were in the $3 deal. All my lip glosses were $1. They were in the $1 deal. And all my lip rubs were $3 as well, so somebody purchased those too. I do have lip glosses to make, so I will be making those probably tomorrow. And yeah, so that is basically what was going on today. But yeah, so that's basically everything right now. Let's just get into the video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I organize my orders. This is just gonna be another entrepreneur video, like you guys like entrepreneur video. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Whatever I show y'all is what I show y'all, so make sure you guys get tuned. Make sure you guys go watch my last YouTube video, which was how to make business shopping bags. So I made business shopping bags for my business because I have my own vendor table. So make sure you guys go watch that video right there, and it's going to be in the eye, and it's going to be linked in the description down below. And yeah, so let's get into what we got going on today. Alright y'all, so let's get into it. So I get my business cards and thank you cards from Staples, and if you guys watched my last video, then you know I had to turn my thank you cards into business cards. Usually that's the first thing that I do when it comes to packing my orders, is I will write my customer's name on my thank you card. So this is my new thank you card, and it comes with the code, so if you guys want to use the code, you can use the code. And here's my business card. The only thing that I changed was the diamond trimming, but yeah, these are what they look like. So every single order gets these 2 cards. They get a personable note, you know, with their little name, and then yeah, that's how I do that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is write everybody's name on one of these cards. Dear Marisha. So that's the first order. The second order is Tracy. So thank you, Tracy. You actually DM'd me on Instagram telling me that you love my lip glosses and you had to get more for Black Friday. So thank you for buying my lip glosses. Now that we got everybody's name on here, the next thing that I'm gonna do is line up my thing. I have 3 orders with these, so I'm just gonna line them up right here. Now usually for every single order I film a TikTok because every single order is different. There's never the same order, so I film a TikTok, and that is how I get a lot of my Instagram content. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. I'm not going to give you guys like a tutorial because it's really just random. It's whatever look cute and I just will do it. So I'm going to go show you guys that as well. I'm going to show you guys how I do my TikTok. Here's my TikTok. Okay, but here's my TikTok. Make sure you guys follow my TikTok. As you guys could probably already see, I'm finna do a TikTok on each order, and then I'm also finna do like an overall TikTok on all my Cyber Monday orders. I always put the flash on because it makes everything pop more. It makes it look so 10 times better. And then I use the bedazzle effect because I just find it so cute. The effect right here is called the bling effect, and that with the flash is unstoppable. What I'm finna do is finna just swing it, you know what I'm saying? So this is a quick one too. Now on to packing. So here is everything. These are all the orders. I still have to make lip glosses for these orders because I need 2 basic SFs, and then I still have to make lip gloss for these orders, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. But yeah, here are all the orders that I have. I have to put my labels on these, and then I have to put my labels on this one as well, but these are already having the label on it. But yeah, y'all, so this is how I basically line it up. I already took a boomerang, so that's 1 promote. So let me show y'all what that looked like. I posted this under Jada's. Let me show y'all. So I posted under Jada's post. She was like, I love when girls wear their big chunky headbands. Them just do not look right or cute on me, whatever. So then I posted right here stating that, get you a fuzzy headband, babes. Great for the winter. Like this if you think Jada definitely gonna look good in this. Fine shit like her can pull off anything. I have all the colors on my site. 10 for 15, only $10 to 15 right now. And then yeah, so I basically put this video of me showing off the fuzzy headbands, and then I put my website link, and then I put this picture of all the fuzzy headbands that I have, and then somebody asked for my website, so I linked them in the website. But yeah, y'all, it's running up. Y'all see that? 518 views, 12 likes, 1 retweet. It's good. It's running up, babe. So now I'm gonna go press back. I just save it as a draft so that when I'm ready to go back, I can go back. I can press continue shooting, and then I'm gonna film this. So I don't know how to do this with 2 hands. Like I said, I use the bling and then the flash, undefeatable. And then I'm gonna start my new video. So orders that's already completed is this one right here, and then Marisha order right here. Nevaeh and Marisha are already completed. These 2 I will have to come back tomorrow because I have to make lip glosses tomorrow to complete these orders. So you're gonna see that tomorrow. But what we're gonna do is make a TikTok with this order, and we're gonna make a TikTok with this order. So now I'm gonna make personal TikToks. So I'm gonna start off with this one, and I'm gonna pull out my labels. And basically how I do my labels is, it says hydrating lip glosses on the side because these labels are for my lip gloss. But what I do is I just cut that off, and then I just put it on my lashes. So I'm going to show these labels in the video. Since I have headbands, I'm probably going to need a bigger bubble mailer, but I'm going to just get that bigger bubble mailer now. And then I also use this in my packaging. This is in my out of my shopping bag video. $1 paper shreds. Get it or get gone. today is a new day. Today is a new day. I think I basically finished the TikTok yesterday. It's not too much else that I can do because I don't know where a lot of my stuff is. But yes, if you guys didn't see this, what the TikTok looking like. The rest of it that I have to film is when I print out the shipping label, and then when I put my sticker on it, and then that's basically the whole TikTok. Yeah, I have to make lip gloss today and then send out an email for, because every single day in December is basically going to be a sale. So yeah, today is still going to be the Cyber Monday sale, so December 1st is just still the Cyber Monday sale. So yeah, well, I am back. It is 6:35. I'm on Instagram Live. There's nobody in here right now, so I came to talk to y'all. So I came to tell you guys that I got another order today. I got this order at, oh, it doesn't tell me the time, but I got it like within an hour ago, and it's the same lady, but she ordered it to a different address. So I guess she's getting somebody else something, and so thank you for coming back and going to share my business with someone else. So I have lip glosses to make tomorrow, and I'm going to write that in my book. This is my handy dandy book that I use for Nyla Symone Beauty Bar. If you've been on my channel for a minute, then you would know that I use this book for anything that's Nyla Symone Beauty Bar. All of the secrets to Nyla Symone Beauty Bar is literally in here. Hey y'all, so it is Vlogmas day 2. It's literally December 53. I mean, it's literally December 2nd, 12:53 in the morning, and I'm ending Vlogmas day 1. I already posted a YouTube video today, which if you guys haven't seen it, make sure you go watch that YouTube video. Make sure y'all go watch that video. It's basically a get ready with me. I was gonna go to a college party, and I was telling y'all about Albany homecoming, just everything like that. I was updating y'all on a lot of stuff, so make sure you guys go watch that. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be trying to put out videos every single day. I will see you guys later tomorrow in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.